Welcome back to our C++ Programming for Beginners series. In today's video, we'll explore operators and expressions in C++, covering arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and increment and decrement operators. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to perform various operations in C++ with ease. Let's open IDE. We used Code Blocks IDE. Click on the File menu. Click on the New, and click on the Project. Click on Console Application, and click Go button. Select C++ and click Next button. Enter the project file name. Select the project destination folder where you want to save the project. Click on Next button and click on Finish button. Open the main.cpp file. This is the default structure of the code. Let's start the coding. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Define the integer variable is a, and assign the value is 10. Define another integer variable is b, and assign the value is 3. Now print the addition operation through the cout command. Addition text between double quotes. A plus b. Addition operation performed. Next, print the subtraction operation through the cout command. Subtraction text between double quotes. A minus b. Addition operation performed. Next, print the multiplication operation through the cout command. Multiplication text between double quotes. A multiply b. Multiplication operation performed. Next, print the division operation through the cout command. Division text between double quotes. A divided by b. Division operation performed. Next, print the modulus operation through the cout command. Modulus text between double quotes. A mod b. Modulus operation performed. Save the file using. Click on File menu and click on Save. Now build this code using. Click on Build menu and click on Build and Run. Here is a little bit mistake. Add colon and space. It's not effect on code, but visually it's looking good. Build again this code. Set the IDE and output window side by side. The first output display the addition of a plus b is equal to 13. The second output display the a minus b is equal to 7. A multiply b is equal to 30. A divided by b is equal to 3. Here you note fraction not display because the data type is integer. A mod b is equal to 1. Now comment on this code. You can create a new project for new coding, but I comment this code start further coding. Next up are relational operators. These operators are used to compare two values, returning true or false based on the comparison. Define the integer variable is x and assign the value is 5. Define the integer variable is y and assign the value is 10. Now print the equal operation through the cout command. X equal to y text between double quotes. X equal to y equal relational operation performed. Next, print the not equal operation through the cout command. X not equal to y text between double quotes. X not equal to y not equal relational operation performed. Next, print the x greater than y operation through the cout command. X greater than y, text between double quotes. X greater than y greater than relational operation performed. Next, print the x less than y operation through the cout command. 10 less than y, text between double quotes. 10 less than y less than relational operation performed. Next, print the x greater than equal to y operation through the cout command. X greater than equal to y, text between double quotes. X greater than equal to y greater than equal to relational operation performed. Next, print the x less than equal to y operation through the cout command. X less than equal to y, text between double quotes. X less than equal to y less than equal to relational operation performed. Now save this project. Build this project using click on Build menu and click on Build and Run. Here little bit error. Here is a mistake, I missed the insertion operator before the endl. Okay, again save and build the project. Here you see that the value of x is not equal to the value of y, so the operation is false, then print 0 or false. Here you see that the value of x is not equal to the value of y, so the operation is true, print 1. Here you see that the value of x is greater than 2, the value of y, so the operation is false, then print 0. Here you see that the value of x is less than 2, the value of y, so the operation is true, then print 1. Here you see that the value of x is greater than equal to the value of y, so the operation is false, then print 0. Here you see that the value of x is less than equal to the value of y, so the operation is true, then print 1. Now comment on this code, or you can create a new project for new coding, but I comment this code, start further coding. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions or to invert a condition. The three main logical operators in C++ are AND, OR, and NOT. Define the Boolean variable is A and set the value is true. Define the Boolean variable is B and set the value is false. Now print the AND operation through the cout command. A and B, text between double quotes. A and B, logical and operation is performed. Now print the OR operation through the cout command. A, R, B, text between double quotes. A, R, B, logical OR operation is performed. Now print the NOT operation through the cout command. NOT, A, text between double quotes. NOT, a logical NOT operation is performed. Now save this project. Build this project using click on Build menu and click on Build and Run. Setting variables A is true and B is false. Here variables A is true and B is false, then the result is 0 and logical operation is performed. Here variables A is true and B is false, then the result is 1 our logical operation is performed. Here variables a is true, then the result is 0, not logical operation is performed. Now comment on this code, or you can create a new project for new coding, but I comment this code, start further coding. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The most basic assignment operator is equals, but there are also compound assignment operators. Define the integer variable is a, and set the value is 10. A plus equal to 5. It means a is equal to a plus 5. It's add the previous value in variable a is 10 with 5. Now print the text a plus equal to 5, text between double quotes, and the enter variable a. This variable will show the incremented value. A minus equal to 3. It means a is equal to a minus 3. It subtract the previous value in variable a. Print the text a minus equal to 3, text between double quotes, and the enter variable a. This variable will show the decremented value. A multiply equal to 2. It means a is equal to a multiply by 2. It's multiply the previous value in variable a. Print the text a multiply equal to 2, text between double quotes, and the enter variable a. This variable will show the multiplied value. A divide equal to 4. It means a is equal to a divided by 4. It's divided by the previous value in variable a. Print the text a divided by equal to 4, text between double quotes, and the enter variable a. This variable will show the divided value. A mod equal to 3. It is a modulus assignment operator. It calculates the remainder of a divided by 3. Print the text a mod equal to 4, text between double quotes, and the enter variable a. This variable will show the calculates the remainder of a. Save and build the project. Let's see the results. The value of a is 10. 10 plus 5 is equal 15. 15 minus 3 is equal 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal 24. 24 divided by 4 is equal 6. 6 mod 3 is equal 0. Now comment on this code. Finally, let's learn it at increment and decrement operators. These operators increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Define the integer variable is x and set the value is 5. Print the text initial value of x between double quotes and the enter variable x. This variable will show the value of x. X++, it means the value of x is incremented by 1. Print the text value after x++ between double quotes and the enter variable x. This variable will show the incremented the value of x. X minus minus, it means the value of x is decremented by 1. Print the text value after x minus minus between double quotes and the enter variable x. This variable will show the decremented the value of x. Save and build the project. Let's see the value of x is 5 and print the initial value. X++, value of x, increment by 1, and print this incremented value of the x. X minus minus, value of x, decrement by 1, and print this decremented value of the x. In this video, we've covered the different types of operators in C++: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and increment and decrement operators. Each of these operators plays a crucial role in performing operations within your programs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more C++ programming tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. and see you in the next video.